What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, today I will teach you 4 different kinds of bounce that you can use in any music that you like. Okay, let's start. So on the first 8, it's very simple, it's very important. Your count 1 should be down. So it goes like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. It's single double. One more time. 7 and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Your hand are free. You can use this one, you can open it, whatever you like. Alright? On the second 8, after you do like this, you're gonna go up. So this one is very important. It's different from the first that we do. This one, your 1 is going up. It's not going down. Otherwise, if you do 1, this up will count 2. So it goes like N. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 2 more, 5 and 6. You just cross it. 7 and 8. Very good. Now let's try first and second. 5, 6, 7, and bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bounce side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. On the third 8, is simply go 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So this one, it looks like you're pulling something. 1, 2, up, 3, other side. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Very good. On the last bounce, you're gonna need to face to the middle and open this like 1, 2, 3, and 4. So basically it's always single, single, double, double. It goes like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Your body is going down every time you open your legs. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, other side, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Very good. Let's try from the beginning. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cross. 1, 2. You can use your hand. 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, up. Other side. Open your legs. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Now let's try again with music. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed that video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comments on my videos. And also if you want to see more dance tutorials, basic dance, hip-hop, cool stuff, you just go to my playlist. Then you will see you can do it, or basic choreography, basic steps on my playlist. Then click, you will see bunch of choreography there. Alright, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.